Hi guys, my name is Adamola Badmus and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, do not forget to like and subscribe. So moving forward in this video, it's going to be short. We're just going to talk about tags and what we use tags for. So in your script, you need tags when you want to run some specific scenarios and you want to leave some out. So that way, in a practical sense, you could have, let's say you could name some scenarios like this. You could have some as smoke tests. Let's say this is also a smoke test. And you can have some as regression tests. You can have some as regression tests. Okay? So if this is smoke and this example here is a regression, so we can run them based on their tags. So I can run behave with the flag tags equals smoke. What happens there is it will only run the first two tests where we have the smoke test, where we have the smoke tag, and that'll be all. Wait for it, and that's it. So equally, if I do the same thing and it didn't run regression because we did not specify regression. So if I do the same thing again and I call this regression, it will run that of regression and skip that of smoke, and that's what's going to happen. As you can see, it's running the same thing. It's running the test. It has run this test successfully. So let's check this. This is what as you can see, it skipped the first two because they are the smoke test, and it's ran the last two, which was tagged regression. So that's how you can use tags, and that's how you can use it to specify the types of tests that you want to run on a particular pipeline. In a practical sense, that's what can happen. You could decide to run some tests on your test pipeline, run some other tests, maybe run all of your tests on the stage pipeline, and run specific tests on your production pipeline. Maybe you have some page validations you do on your production pipeline, so you run them as a smoke test on it. So you can use these tags to get all those things done. And that brings us to the end of the video. So if you find this helpful, please do not forget to drop a comment. And if you have questions, drop a comment as well. I will help you out with your questions. Bye bye.